Doing dance. Habibi comes to Morocco.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm sitting so close to a monkey. A wild monkey, guys. Jeez. That's lovely. I picture, please. No, this one will drag your scene. It will drag your. On you. Scratch. Let's head down. Oh, see Moyo in front. Guys, see Moyo down there. Moyo is leading the way. Here we are, guys. We're crossing to the bottom. Hi guys, we finally got to the bottom of Ouzoud Waterfall. We finally got to the bottom, guys. So we're here. This is beautiful. I know, right? Like, we're gonna take a boat ride, colorful boat ride, guys. Yeah. Look what's just behind us. Look, take a look. Hi. Whoosh. We sit in front. Just at the back. Sheesh. Oh my god. Come and sit down now. We are the 9 of us. Hi. We're literally on the boat. Yeah, so I think then we'll run back. Hello, bitches. Excellent. Guys, we're just headed down. See you. Whoa, this is so pretty. Row, row, row your boats like a stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Hello! Row your boats just like a stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Hello! I should have said to the waterfall! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So Guys, we're so close to the waterfall, so the boat actually brings us so close to the waterfall, guys. Look at that, like I'm literally so close to the waterfall. So close. Nice food. I don't think we have recipes for that quad bike. Hi guys, you need to give us some accolades. I mean, we came all the way from the top of the waterfall, and at this point in time we got to the bottom. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Come on. I don't feel more. Hey guys, so we're literally done with the waterfall. Now we're headed off to eat, and then we're gonna go for a quad bike. Let's go.
I like the way I'm feeling now. Don't go use your guess, all my blues and redemption.
So guys, just 2 minutes walk from the waterfall is this very lovely restaurant where you can get tagine and some lovely chips and sandwich as well. You can see it's locally made, and I enjoyed my meal. Make sure you eat lunch here whenever you come to Ouzoud.
I like the way I'm feeling now. Baby, do me back, I mean do me bad. Like my groove and rhythm now. Oh, you like the way that I feel your figure. Don't you wanna run with an 8-figure nigga? I pull up and you jump in my car. We pen scar, come fingers in the air, we go bra 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 bra.
Guys, I just want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to our tour guide. He is just the best tour guide ever. I'm gonna leave his phone number if you want to reach out to him when you're in Ouzoud. This man is so lovely. I really can't remember his name in particular, but I'll have a look. He literally fast-tracked we getting our lunch because we didn't have the whole day to spend at Ouzoud. We needed to get back to Palmyra, Marrakesh for our quad bike and camel ride session. And overall, you can see the manager of the restaurant had to come out because I pleaded to the manager of the restaurant to fast track our whole process, and they got our food ready on time. They gave us drinks and complimentary sweets as well. Thank you so much. Guys, at this point in time, we were using the stairs to head back to the top of the waterfall. I kid you not, the stairs, the hike, the walk was not even funny. You can see our tour guide is helping us with our load. At some point in time, I was so breathless. Yeah, we show you Nyash. Guys, we're hiking up the trailer. Literally, the monkeys behind me. I can't breathe. Look at Susu, that's going. We can't breathe. We can't breathe, guys. Prepare for the hike. This is not Joe. He's there?
What did he say? What did he say to the guy?
The driver. Oh, just like I told you, you have to prepare for the hike because it's not even funny. We're out of breath. Make sure you come with comfortable shoes and water. Overall, our tour guide was giving us vibes. Let's go! Guys, I'm breathing hard. Jesus. Prepare for the hike, guys. That's our lovely tour guide. He's so nice. He's so nice and so lovely. We don't reach. How is this guy? Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you so much. You're such a dad. We are on playing ground now, I think. Guys, finally we got to playing ground.
Have food.
Yeah!
Barbecue around some Moroccan food.
We got to playing ground. Yeah!
The sun is coming. We miss the
sun. This is our lovely tour guide. So lovely. Thank you so much.
Africa woman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ouzoud Waterfall. This is Ouzoud. Call it Ouzoud. To come to our house over there.
Yeah.
Eat and
yeah, see the hotel. So we're playing ground now. We're back to the road. See the road.
natural swimming pools. Hammam.
Yeah.
Make massage.
Guys, this is where we came in from, and this is where we came out from. Ouzoud. Where are they? I'm hearing people shouting. See them there. See them up there. See them up there. I've seen Moyo coming down.
My house.
Yeah, we come to your house.
Owner hammam.
Yeah. Finally. Don't you dance? Guys, we made it up. The sun is out.
Everybody listen to you. Should you get me a chopper?
My lovely. I'm sorry, mommy. Guys, we made it to the top. We made it to the top, guys.
Oh my god, it was rough though. I thought I was going into cardiac arrest.
Girl, a VIP car is here to take us to Palm area. Yeah. Yeah, hello.
I didn't call you, my
Thank you so much. Girl, we love you so. Thank you. Hey guys, did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? You had a good time? This guy. So guys, this was the hardest part of me saying goodbye to Ouzoud. I hope and I wish I am able to come back to Morocco, but if not, I enjoyed my stay in Morocco. Morocco literally owes me nothing. We were able to explore everywhere with this beautiful team of beautiful people. Thank you all so much for trusting us to be able to give you the best tour to Morocco, even though some of our plans were dampened, like going to Nikki Beach because we're temporarily closed and all that. Okay guys, stick and stay tuned because up next we are going to be headed to the desert.
I'ma get no be sure. Now you want capture my show. You be like the baddest in the London. I like the way you shake it off your bum bum. Faded. Girl, you got me faded. Feel like I'm in San Francisco, charming. Feel like I'm in high school, disco, charming. 21